Hey everyone, welcome back to YouTech. If you've ever wished for a tool that could translate entire websites, PDF documents, eBooks, videos, and even images, all in real time, then you're going to love this. Today, I'm introducing you to Immersive Translate, a powerful free browser extension that supports over 100 languages and works across Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, iOS, and Android. You'll find the link to this amazing tool in the video description below. Once you click it, you'll land on this page, where you can download the extension for your preferred browser or device. I'm using Chrome, so I'll go ahead and click Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension. After installing, make sure to pin the extension by clicking the little puzzle icon on your browser bar. Then click on the Immersive Translate icon to open the settings. Then choose the target language you'd like to translate content into. For example, I'll choose German. Next, choose your preferred translation engine. Immersive Translate supports a range of top-tier services like Google Translate, Microsoft Translator, DeepSeek, DeepL, OpenAI, Gemini, and more. You can test them out and pick the one that works best for you. Under the Options tab, you'll find lots of customization. Set your interface language, choose translation modes, decide which languages should always or never be translated, enable bilingual subtitle translation, and tweak your display settings. Now, let's test it in action. Here's a website in English. I want to translate it into German. Since I've already set German as the target language, I just click the Immersive Translate icon and hit Translate Page. Boom, the page is now translated, and the best part, you see the original text on top and the translated version below each paragraph. This is perfect for language learners or anyone working with multilingual content, but it gets even better. Immersive Translate can also translate video subtitles on platforms like YouTube, Netflix, and more. Here's a YouTube video in English. Since I've already set German as my target language, the subtitles automatically appear in both English and German, side by side. You can enable auto-bilingual captions. Use it just this time, or turn it off completely. You can even download the translated subtitles, which is super helpful for offline study or reference. Need to translate documents? No problem. Click the PDF and ebook translation tab, and you can upload and translate PDF files, text files, HTML files, subtitles, even images with embedded text. Let me show you. I'll upload an image and select Spanish as the target language. And there it is. The text from the image has been translated into Spanish instantly. Another amazing feature is mouse hover translation. Enable it, set your shortcut key combo, like Control plus Shift, and then just hover over any text on a page. It will automatically translate the paragraph without you needing to click or copy anything. Perfect for reading foreign news sites, articles, or even technical documents. So whether you're a student, traveler, researcher, or just someone curious about other languages, Immersive Translate is a must-have tool. It's free, packed with powerful features, and works right inside your browser or mobile device. If you want to unlock premium features, the plan starts at just $9.99 per month with advanced translation options. Don't forget, the link is in the description below. Try it out and let me know in the comments what feature you loved the most. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an awesome tech tool like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.